Amazon just capped every product title at 75 characters. 75 characters. That's it. As of this week, Amazon requires most product titles to be 75 characters or fewer, including spaces. The limit applies to nearly all categories. Media products are exempt. A new item highlights field now holds up to 125 additional characters for details that no longer fit. Nothing's lost. It moved titles used to get stuffed with dimensions, colors, model numbers, and keywords. That secondary information now belongs in item highlights instead of the title. Item highlights is searchable and shows on both search results and the product page. It's not hidden. Amazon will change it for you. If you don't, Amazon is already generating AI-suggested titles and item highlights for existing listings. Brand owners get a 14-day review window to approve, edit, or reject the suggested changes. After that window, non-compliant titles may get updated automatically, without the seller writing the new version. Check this before Amazon does it for you. Go to Manage All Inventory, edit a listing, and select View Enhancements to see Amazon's suggested changes. Review every suggestion yourself, rather than letting the 14-day window expire unchecked. A rewritten title should still lead with brand, product type, and the one variation detail that actually matters.